Hey Dana, and welcome to our blog. And this is the journey of the Monarch. As you can see, here is our first butterfly coming from the chrysalis. And you can see the chrysalis up there is now clear from the black that it was.
It was always clear. The black was the wings.
Right, the black, it finally became black from the green. I'm not sure what the green was, but...
Caterpillar.
Right. Now we can't... Now supposedly the male versus the female has something to do with the wing lines. The black wing lines. Okay, so...
I
don't
want to see its wings.
And supposedly the fat wide lines in its wings will tell you whether it's a male or a female. And there's usually supposedly a dot, 2 dots, one on each wing. I think
it's got its wings tucked up under it.
I think it's a female. Didn't you say the lines in the wings would be fatter in a female? Yeah. So I think we're talking a female here. There you go. So you stuck?
They're over there. Okay.
I think she's stuck. I'm just gonna move the flower over.
Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go.
Mm-hmm.
See the back of it?
Let me see the back of the wing. I believe we have a female because there's no dots on either side.
You can't leave.
And
you can't leave. Get in there and eat. Get in there and eat. Look at you. Oh my God.
You'll fly around though.
It's a female.
That's what I thought.
It's a female. See how thick the painting is?
Thick that painting on her wings, yeah.
Oh my God.
You're stuck now. Hey, Mama.
Hi, look at you. Look at it turn its head. Oh my God.
Ain't that beautiful?
Look at this.
Yeah, look at those wings.
You can't leave yet. You have to have a couple more days in here, buddy. Yes, you do. And you can fly down south and live for the winter. Yeah.
Get another wing.
Because you don't want to stay up here.
Come on, spread the wings one time. Come on. Come on.
There you go.
Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Just got to make her feel like she's
like
not stable, see?
Like a 2 or 3 year old, or hour-old butterfly. Monarch.
Sorry, got to put her back in
Beautiful.
here. Come on, baby. Come on, you want to eat. Aren't you hungry? It's goldenrod. She says no. Well, now I got myself in a predicament.
Hi, Mama.
Oh, God. Where's little bit? She'd be losing her mind.
I know, she's right behind me.
Loo-hoo, look what I got. Look at her.
Yeah, beautiful.
Oh my God, she's gorgeous.
Yeah, she's going back in there. You can probably put her in there.
Now, come on.
Put her on something.
I'm trying to get my hand over that.
Anything.
There you go. There you go. Goldenrod. Look, it's for you. Yeah, eat that. You're okay. No, don't climb back up. Don't climb back up. Come down there and eat. Here, look. It's food. It's food. Look at that. Come on. Come on. There you go. Oh, look at you.
Beautiful.
Aren't you smart?
That's beautiful.
Okay, come on. Come on. You got to get in there.
Yeah.
I know. Hang on. Let me flip you back over. No, come on. Let's flip over. Let's go this way. There we go. Let's do that. No, not on me. Okay, well, I'm not sure how we're doing this, buddy. There we go. Let's do it this way. Let's do it this way. Let's do it quick. Let's do it quick. There you go.
Beautiful.
There, now eat that.
As you can, as we know, the males have got 2 black dots on the lower part of their wings. And this is a female because she's got the lines in her wings are really wide, like a magic marker would do. And the males, those lines in their wings are really thin, and they have a 2 black dots on the lower part of their wings. As you can see how dorsal they are. They're not even interested in
Hi, Stinky.
disappearing.
Mama was holding.
But there you go. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Ooh, there we go. Yeah. Yeah. We'll catch you on the next Journey of the Monarch.